The new S Pen Fold Edition and S Pen Pro take your foldable experience to a whole new level. While the S Pen Fold Edition is only compatible with the Z Fold3, the S Pen Pro is additionally compatible with other mobile devices such as the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Note series. Pairing the S Pen Pro to your Z Fold3 is simple. Just hold down the pairing button for 3 seconds until your Z Fold3 recognizes the pen. Once paired, you'll be able to use the S Pen Pro on your Z Fold3. But before doing so, make sure the stylus switch is set to Z Fold. The S Pen Pro also has frequency toggle, so you can easily switch between your paired devices. Just toggle the switching and pairing button. And voila! You can now use your S Pen Pro with your S21 Ultra. With both S Pens, you'll still have access to key features like Air Command and additional settings within Advanced Features. From here, you can keep tabs on your S Pen Pro battery level. Oh, and one really cool feature is S Pen to Text. Tap S Pen and tap the switch next to S Pen Text to turn it on. Now you can write directly into a text field and your handwriting will convert over to text. To write a quick note, just press the S Pen button and tap twice on the screen. It's perfect for taking notes while you're in flux mode. With the S Pen Fold Edition and S Pen Pro, Samsung has your foldables covered.